Toyota is developing a groundbreaking new engine that it claims will transform the entire automotive landscape. While much of the world rushes toward electric vehicles, Toyota has taken a bold and unexpected turn, one that may change everything. In a recent announcement that sent shockwaves through the industry, Toyota revealed that its latest hybrid engine innovation could be a serious game-changer. This has raised a critical question. What if electric vehicles aren't the future after all? What if a brand new type of engine is about to redefine transportation as we know it? For years, Toyota has been quietly perfecting this innovation behind the scenes. While other companies race to build battery-powered cars and roll out charging stations, Toyota played the long game, strategically and patiently working on a breakthrough that may now put them leagues ahead. With this new hybrid engine, Toyota is poised to disrupt not just the electric vehicle market, but the very direction of the automotive industry. So, what exactly is Toyota working on and why is it causing such a stir? Let's take a look. To fully appreciate the weight of this announcement, it's important to understand Toyota's journey. Founded in 1937 by Kiichiro Toyota, the company originally evolved from the Toyota Automatic Loom Works, a textile machinery business established by his father, Sakichi Toyota. Through the decades, Toyota has consistently led with innovation, quality, and resilience. From launching reliable sedans and SUVs to pioneering hybrid technology with the Prius, the company has built a reputation for forward-thinking engineering. Now, Toyota seems ready to take its biggest leap yet, with a new engine that could reframe the entire conversation around electric vehicles. Toyota's CEO has declared that the company's newly developed hybrid engine will disrupt the EV market. But this isn't just another incremental update, it's a leap forward that challenges the very assumptions driving global investment into electric cars. The new engine reportedly integrates advanced combustion technology with next-generation hybrid systems. But Toyota isn't putting all its eggs in one basket. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries that rely on liquid electrolytes, solid-state batteries use solid materials to conduct electricity. This simple shift opens the door to massive advantages: greater energy density, faster charging times, smaller battery size, and significantly improved safety. Toyota's prototypes suggest the possibility of achieving a full charge in as little as 10 minutes, compared to the 30 minutes or more required for today's fast chargers. And here's the twist. Toyota's solid-state battery innovation isn't just being developed for EVs. There's growing speculation that these batteries may also power hybrid systems, or even hydrogen combustion engines. If successful, this hybrid technology could combine the best of all worlds: extended range, rapid refueling, zero emissions, and breakthrough performance. While the EV world focuses on lithium and battery ranges, Toyota is also investing heavily in hydrogen combustion technology. Unlike hydrogen fuel cells that generate electricity, hydrogen combustion engines burn hydrogen in a traditional internal combustion setup, but emit only water vapor instead of carbon dioxide. This means drivers could enjoy the familiar refueling experience, just a few minutes at a pump, without the environmental drawbacks of gasoline or diesel. If Toyota manages to integrate its solid-state battery tech with hydrogen combustion engines, we could see the emergence of an entirely new class of ultra-efficient, zero-emission hybrid vehicles. These cars could eliminate the biggest EV drawbacks, slow charging and limited range, while bypassing the environmental and ethical issues tied to lithium, cobalt, and nickel mining. There's a critical discussion that often goes unspoken in the push for EVs: the environmental cost of battery production. Mining for rare earth materials is energy-intensive, environmentally destructive, and often associated with exploitative labor practices. Recycling remains inefficient, and as demand grows, so does the pressure on ecosystems around the world. Toyota's diversified approach to innovation, pursuing solid-state batteries, hydrogen engines, and revolutionary hybrids, presents a compelling alternative. Instead of betting everything on one solution, the company is creating multiple pathways toward a cleaner, more efficient future. This multi-pronged strategy could position Toyota as the dominant force in the next era of automotive innovation. As Toyota continues to unveil its latest groundbreaking technologies, the global automotive industry is paying close attention. The company's bold move to integrate hybrid, hydrogen, and solid-state battery technology into a single cohesive platform is seen by many as a potential game-changer. This fusion of advanced powertrain strategies could offer the efficiency of hybrids, the environmental benefits of hydrogen fuel cells, and the high energy density and fast charging capabilities of solid-state batteries, all in one vehicle. The implications of this are enormous. If successful, Toyota's innovation could not only provide a viable alternative to traditional electric vehicles, but might also leapfrog the current generation of EVs that are still grappling with issues like battery degradation, long charging times, and limited range in colder climates. This ambitious technological convergence raises a critical question. Could Toyota's hybrid hydrogen solid-state combination become the winning formula that renders traditional battery electric vehicles obsolete before they fully dominate the market? The automotive world is divided. Many industry analysts and engineers hail Toyota's approach as visionary. They argue that the company is playing the long game, focusing not only on clean energy, but also on realistic deployment strategies. They highlight that Toyota is building technologies that address the flaws in current EV infrastructure, such as overburdened grids, slow charging, and battery waste, while offering performance and longevity that could significantly outpace today's standards. However, critics remain skeptical. One of the major concerns is the underdeveloped state of hydrogen infrastructure. Despite its potential, hydrogen refueling stations are still few and far between in most parts of the world. Meanwhile, EV charging networks, especially in regions like Europe, China, and North America, have seen massive investments and continued expansion. These skeptics argue that the momentum behind battery EVs may be too strong to reverse, especially as companies like Tesla, BYD, and other automakers continue to push the boundaries of what lithium-ion batteries can do. Additionally, governments are funneling billions into EV subsidies and infrastructure, while hydrogen still lags behind in regulatory and financial support. Nevertheless, Toyota is not a company that bets blindly. It has built its legacy over decades, rooted in consistent innovation, a commitment to excellence, and an unshakable reputation for producing reliable, durable vehicles. Toyota doesn't just participate in the market, it often sets the direction for it. The company's leadership in hybrid technology, launched dramatically with the Prius, revolutionized how the world viewed fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility in automobiles. That wasn't a fluke, it was the result of meticulous planning, relentless R&D, and an unwavering belief in creating sustainable solutions. Toyota's hybrid success story isn't just about technology, it's about foresight, resilience, and its unmatched ability to execute on long-term visions. As one of the most influential automakers globally, Toyota possesses an enormous ecosystem that spans from engineering and manufacturing to a robust global supply chain. Its extensive R&D resources are unmatched by many competitors, enabling the company to work simultaneously on multiple fronts: electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, hybrid systems, and now, ultra-efficient next-generation internal combustion engines. This multi-pronged strategy reflects a deeper understanding of diverse global markets, each with unique needs, infrastructure challenges, and environmental goals. Toyota knows that the future of transportation isn't one-size-fits-all. Some regions may transition to EVs faster, while others may still rely on hybrids or low-emission ICE vehicles due to infrastructure limitations. Toyota is preparing for all of it. This calculated and visionary approach is what gives Toyota a strategic edge. While some companies may chase trends, Toyota anticipates them. It doesn't just build cars, it builds mobility ecosystems. With its experience, scale, and reputation, it is in a unique position to influence regulations, industry standards, and consumer preferences. That is why Toyota's latest engine development is not simply another addition to its product lineup. It could very well mark a turning point, not just for the company but for the global automotive industry. This engine, if it lives up to its promise, could redefine what clean and efficient combustion means in the 21st century. One thing is certain. Toyota's recent innovation isn't just the start of a new chapter. It could be a bold leap forward that reshapes the entire narrative of automotive evolution. The race toward a sustainable future is far from over, and Toyota has once again placed itself at the forefront. With this groundbreaking move, the company isn't just preparing to compete, it may be preparing to lead a new era. An era where performance, sustainability, and efficiency coexist without compromise. This isn't about catching up to EV trends, it's about reimagining what's possible. Toyota may not just level the playing field, it could very well change the rules of the game, challenging the entire industry to think bigger, move faster, and innovate smarter in the quest for a cleaner, more efficient tomorrow.